guys for another week and here bones on the bed. Oh. What's happening on the stairs?
Down the stairs.
Phoebe!
No, come on, quick, come here. Come here, babe, that's him. Don't wind it up, Reed.
And I won't. It's Corey Hook Boys back with another awesome video. Corey. He's grumpy. He's grumpy. He does video really on what's it called? Vlogger go viral. So he's on Vlogger Go Viral. He's done a video earlier on. If you want to check her out, what's your name on YouTube? I'm Corey Mayers. Search her up and then he's on there and subscribe to him. Subscribe to me. How many likes you on?
500.
Well, 500 likes by the end of 5 weeks or 3. Hey, you got a new skin! Yeah, boy! What? So,
Look at
what's
that.
happening?
Look at that. Look at that. Look at my bedroom, guys. Look at my bedroom.
This is bedroom.
Look.
Look at that bedroom. So yeah, he's on Vlogger Go Viral.
I am gonna go viral in a minute.
I think this will be the last video tonight, cause
Unless we do bottle flip and go out.
yeah, unless it's 5 o'clock.
Do you actually wanna
It's 5 o'clock.
climb them down?
Maybe I'll swap over to my phone.
Doesn't matter.
Leave
live.
So guys, might go up to London in a minute. So
Watch that video. I can't believe it's uploaded.
catch a helicopter. Catch it.
Catch it.
Well, I just caught him in a helicopter, bruv. Yeah, so we're off up Clown London. I swapped to my phone when this uploads. We're going out. See you up.